Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank. So, first of all, you cannot send money directly from PayPal to the Capitec Bank like it's a normal bank transfer. In South Africa, you must use the FNB PayPal service as a bridge. So, basically, the flow will be the money going from PayPal to FNB, which is a PayPal service, into Capitec Bank. So the first thing is linking your PayPal to FNB, which is a required step. You would like to go to the FNB website/application, and you'll have to register for PayPal services even without an FNB account, and then you'll have to link your PayPal account. This step is mandatory for South Africa if you want to send money to your Capitec Bank. So then you'll have to add your Capitec bank account. During the setup, you will be able to add your Capitec account, make sure the name matches and the account number is correct, and this is where your money will go. So everything will be through FNB. So now inside FNB itself, you can go to Forex/PayPal services and then click on withdraw from PayPal, and you'll be able to enter the amount that you want. Usually will be in USD. Click on confirm and you'll be asked to log in to PayPal again. So of course that comes with the services that came with FNB, and basically once you logged in into your PayPal and you enter your amount, you'll have to wait for the transfer. Usually it takes from 3 to 5 business days and the money arrives or should arrive in your Capitec account in rands. Of course, you'll have to note that PayPal may charge some currency conversion and transfer fees, and Capitec may charge around R50 for international upcoming payments. So the final amount will depend on the exchange rate, basically. Of course, the transfer may fail if your name doesn't match, or the names doesn't match, or the PayPal is not linked to FNB, or maybe there's some wrong account details. So you'll have to keep in mind that you don't need an FNB bank account. It's just their PayPal service. And the transfers are not instant. And of course, always double check your details before confirming anything. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.